Imagine a world where a new liver is just a button press away. No waiting lists, no organ rejection. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. 3D printing is revolutionizing medicine, turning what was once pure imagination into a tangible reality. Welcome to the future of healthcare, where we print replacement parts for the human body as easily as we print a document. But 3D printing's impact on medicine isn't just about futuristic organs. It's already making waves in how we create prosthetics, design personalized medical devices, and even plan complex surgeries. This isn't just about treating illness, it's about improving lives. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is like building a sandcastle, layer by meticulous layer. Imagine a printer that uses materials like plastic, metal, or even living cells instead of ink. It follows a blueprint from a computer and builds a three-dimensional object layer by thin layer. This technology, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is now revolutionizing healthcare. From creating custom-fit prosthetics to printing biocompatible implants, 3D printing is changing the medical landscape. It's allowing doctors to provide personalized care tailored to each patient's unique needs. It's about as futuristic as it gets, but it's happening right now, in hospitals and research labs around the world.
So, how does this futuristic technology actually work in the medical field? Imagine a patient needs a hip replacement. Traditionally, they'd receive a standard size implant. But with 3D printing, doctors can create a custom fit implant that perfectly matches the patient's anatomy. This means faster recovery times, fewer complications, and happier patients. But it's not just about bones and implants. 3D printing is also used to create surgical tools, dental crowns, and even personalized casts for broken bones. It's like having a miniature factory inside the hospital, ready to create whatever the doctor orders.
Section 4. Bioprinting, printing organs like we print pizza? Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. Scientists are now working on bioprinting, which uses three-dimensional printing to create living tissues and organs. It's like something out of Star Trek, but instead of replicators, we have bioprinters. Imagine a future where organ donors are a thing of the past, and we can simply print new organs on demand. It sounds crazy, but researchers are already making incredible progress. The Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine, for example, has successfully bioprinted miniature human organs for drug testing. It's early days, but the potential is mind-blowing. Section 5. The future of three-dimensional printing in medicine, from personalized pills to AI-designed organs. The future of three-dimensional printing in medicine is brighter than a supernova. Imagine personalized pills printed with the exact dosage you need, or AI-powered three-dimensional printers designing custom organs based on your unique DNA. Three-dimensional printing is not just changing medicine, it's revolutionizing it. It's a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and giving hope to countless patients worldwide. So, what do you think is the most exciting application of three-dimensional printing in medicine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Next time, we'll explore the top 5 industries being disrupted by three-dimensional printing. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride.